A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for doll. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for grape. H is for horse. I is for iron. Z is for jackfruit. K is for king. L is for lock. M is for mango. N is for nest. O is for owl. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for rainbow. S is for strawberry. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. X is for Christmas. Y is for yak. Z is for